Hello everyone! Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to recover deleted history in Google Chrome. First, let's see if your browsing history was synced with your Google account. This is the simplest method and works best if you already had sync enabled. Open your favorite web browser and head over to myactivity.google.com. This is a central hub for all your Google activity, including your browsing history from Chrome, if synced. Sign into your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a massive timeline of your Google activity. This includes things like searches you've made on Google Search, videos you've watched on YouTube, and yes, even the websites you visited on Google Chrome. Navigating this timeline can be a bit overwhelming at first, but Google provides powerful tools to help you find what you're looking for. You can filter your activity by date or by product. For instance, if you only care about your Chrome history, you can select Chrome from the filter menu on the left-hand side. This will narrow down the timeline to show only your browsing activity. You can also search for specific keywords within your activity. Let's say you remember visiting a website about a specific recipe, but can't recall the exact URL. Simply enter a keyword or phrase related to the recipe in the search bar at the top of the page. Google will then scan your entire activity history and return any results that match your search query. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.